Hi friends, so today we are going to make this very delicious, as you can see, vegetarian egg rolls. Look at that, it looks so crispy and I'm telling you, it's really delicious, I'm not kidding. So I already started cutting cabbage, guys, so you would only see me cutting cabbage because I already pre-cut all of the vegetables that I'll be using. So this would save me time. So you only need a small cabbage, just one small cabbage, and then I have this 1 pack of bean sprouts that I got from the Asian store. I love them. And I have 2 packs of spring roll shells, which is I also got from the Asian store. And I have this culantro or cilantro if you don't have culantro in your local store. And I have 3 cloves of garlic, minced garlic, and I have 1 small onion that's already pre-cut. Now I have this extra flavor, which is the sweet pepper. It's optional, guys, if you wanted to add, but me, I normally add it. It adds an additional flavor or sweetness. Also, I have 2 small carrots and celery. Now I didn't show you that we also need salt and pepper and soy sauce, but you will be seeing it later. So to start with, I already started putting the oil in the pan for about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. But it depends on you on what kind of oil would you prefer to use. But I would normally use olive oil in anything that I cook. So when the oil is already hot, we are going to add the garlic and then the onion.
It is snow.
It's so much worse in Buffalo.
Okay, so I guess the oil is already hot, so we're gonna start adding the garlic. And now the onions. Oh my god, guys, it smells so good. And now we're gonna start adding the salt. And we're gonna add the carrots and the celery. And now we are gonna add the cabbage. So as we have already added the cabbage, we're gonna stir again for about probably 1 to 2 minutes. So we're adding more salt and we're gonna add a little bit of black pepper just to add taste. I also love black pepper in anything that I make. And now we're gonna add the bean sprouts. After the bean sprouts, we are going to add the sweet pepper and the cilantro. Oh my god, guys, it smells really good. So there we go. We're gonna add the rest of the recipe. Of the rest of the ingredients. Isn't it colorful? Oh my gosh, guys, I love the color combination. Look at that. Green, orange, yellow. It looks so delicious and it smells so delicious. You gotta try this. This is really a good recipe, I'm telling you. I'm adding more pepper. Black pepper. And probably like 2 minutes. This should be good and we're done. We're gonna start wrapping it. We're gonna let it cool first for probably 10 to 15 minutes. So we're ready to transfer it. So as you can see on the background, I'm trying to get the strainer and the bowl where we are going to transfer this before we wrap it. Also, if you've noticed, I'm using a strainer so it would strain the juice, because you don't want to wrap it with the juice in it. We want to make sure that before we wrap it, it's already cool and it's dry. So to start, we're going to put 2 tablespoons of vegetables in your wrapper. Then start folding from the corner of the wrapper and then roll or tuck it in and then fold both sides and then roll again and then seal it from the other corner. Then seal it with water. I normally use water because for me it's effective, I guess. But some people use egg, I think. Start frying now. As you can see, I already started frying. So the one in the middle is already cooked. So when you see that it's already golden brown like this, then you can definitely start taking it out. Here you go. We're almost done. Yay! And guess what, guys? I already ate 2 before I even finished cooking or frying. I can't help it. Come on. When you try it, tell me. I'm sure you're gonna do it too. You can't wait to taste it because it smells so delicious and it tastes really delicious. Well, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for your time, and thank you so much for watching. I hope this helped you to cook this vegetarian egg roll. See you next time. Bye.